Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer Aspire C24. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer Aspire C24 won't turn on, it can be quite alarming. This issue typically occurs due to power supply failures or internal component malfunctions. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage, making repairs more complex and costly. To tackle this problem, you will need a few essential tools: a screwdriver set, anti-static wrist strap, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement power supply unit. Now, let's begin the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure the device is completely powered off and unplugged from any power source. Carefully turn the Acer Aspire C24 over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using the appropriate screwdriver, remove these screws while keeping them in a safe place for later. Gently utilize the plastic opening tool to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the panel is removed, you will have access to the internal components. Look for the power supply unit, which is usually located near the mains connector. Inspect it for any visible signs of damage, such as burned areas or bulging capacitors. To extract the faulty unit, disconnect any cables attached to it, noting their positions for reassembly. Remove the screws securing the power supply using the screwdriver. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the old power supply, take your replacement unit and position it carefully in place. Reattach the screws, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this can damage the component. Next, reconnect the cables in the same configuration as you noted earlier. Before closing the device, double-check all connections and ensure no tools or debris are left inside. Carefully align the back panel and press it down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws to secure the panel once again. Now, plug in your device and attempt to power it on to check if the issue has been resolved. If your Acer Aspire C24 turns on, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you use a quality power supply and avoid exposing your device to power surges. Regularly check for software updates and keep your device clean and well ventilated. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.